Hi friends and welcome back to our channel K2N Family. Today I'm going to show you a nice tasty and flavorful recipe which is beef pulao. And to do this recipe, let's go and start it. And to start with, to do this beef pulao, first we'll take beef. Here I've got 500 grams of beef and I'm going to add some salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of chili powder, 1 whole lime juice, and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Now let's mix this very well, and I'm going to leave this aside to well marinate for at least half an hour. And here I've got about 1.5 cup of rice which I've already washed, and I'm going to keep it soaked aside. Now in a mixer blender, I'm going to take 1 inch of cinnamon stick, 6 to 8 cloves, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 cardamoms, half teaspoon of black peppercorn, 1 small star anise, 1 inch of ginger, 6 to 7 garlic cloves, 8 to 10 mint leaves, little bit of coriander, 2 green chillies, and 1/4 cup of water. And now let's grind this to a smooth paste. This is how it's going to be once it's been grounded. Now I'm going to put the meat in a pressure cooker and I'm going to cook this for at least 7 to 8 whistles. And here I'm going to add half cup of water. I'm not using a lot of water because the water will be released from the meat at the time when it's getting cooked as well. So now in a pot, let's take 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of dalda. Now I'm going to add 2 finely chopped onions, 1 large finely chopped tomato. Now let's saute this very well. Now let's add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now we're going to add the masala that we have prepared. Let's saute again for another 3 minutes. Now I'm going to add the beef. This is the beef for how we cooked it. I'm going to keep the stock water aside and just add the beef only now. Let's mix this well and cook it for 5 minutes on a very medium flame. After cooking for 5 minutes, now let's add the rice. Let's mix this together. Make sure your flame is on a very low flame. So as I said, I used 1.5 cup of rice. For that we're going to use 3 cups of water. So this first cup is of the stock water that I had. This is the second cup, and make sure you're using hot water for this. There goes the last one. That's the third cup. Let's add some salt as per the taste. Let's give a gentle stir. Now let's cover this with a lid and cook it for 15 to 20 minutes or until the pulao is done. Here our pulao is ready. Now I'm going to just mix all this well together. I'll cover this with a lid and leave it for another 5 to 10 minutes. So friends, our ultimate beef pulao is ready now. If you've liked our recipe, please show us some love by liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel. Until then, stay safe, God bless you all, and my final word to say, adios.